Hello guys, Smash Bros. Smash Bros. For you. And today I could do another vlog. So yeah, we got a hurricane warning and a tornado warning as well. So yeah, last night we had seriously bad rain. So this is our risks today. As you can see, we're there in the middle. So you've got quite a high risk as well. So yeah, this is a hurricane warning. As you can see, we're in the red. So yeah, storm we're in the red. So we're in the red as well. I can't remember this will be today. I'm moving. This is our tornado risk. So we're there. As you can see, yeah. This is why it gets really bad. Sorry about my voice, I just kind of only got up. And yeah, this is what I say on my weather. Monday, oh come on. Monday, strong force winds associated with storm Imogen, so yeah. And this is what it says. Focus. Freaking iPad. It says, oh no. I'll read it for you. How gets tree damage and travel delays? Gusty winds. Winds today again. And that's what it is. So yeah, we had an extremely bad score last night. So yeah. Getting rain today. But it's been saying thunder for the last few days. So yeah. Got rain, wind today. It's possible that we're going to get some thunder. Last night we did. So yeah. Oh man, I'm trying to load up my lightning radar. It's not loading up. I've got this. There we go. Okay. I'm going to say because I go to school in rugby as well, so. But yeah, it'd be like over like 40s, so yeah, it's in the black, that's not very good. So yeah, I can't believe we got tornado warning, like isolated tornadoes, so yeah. Hurricane warning, it's category 1. So yeah, it's gonna be pretty bad. Here comes approaching our storm Imogen. There it is. See there, and here, there it is. So yeah. See ya guys, goodbye.